I'm really interested to know, after participants have done this 2-day workshop, how do you hope that they'll integrate all of what they've learnt into their practice? Because that's the key. I think you can go to learnings, but how does this translate then into your clinical practice?
The question invites me to reflect on the very first time that I heard this information, how it was like a light bulb that went off in my brain. That, it's not like a toolbox where I go into my toolbox and I can do something to a client, but it is an unrelenting influence of how you think. So each person will take away something unique to them that often has a legacy of influence that's hard to turn back from, hard to see the world in the old way that you saw it. And so, in response to your question, it's not a concrete skill set that 2 days will leave you with. It's a beginning of a depth of understanding, of curiosity, of how we engage and support our clients in everyday work.